All right, this one says you're given something. So these are given. A1's given, R is given, and Sn is given. And they say derive a formula for An. This is more abstract, by the way. What I mean by abstract is they tell me, and I want to point out, again, what are givens to me. So the givens are A1. This is a given. R is a given. And Sn is a given. These are the givens. Now, what do they want to do? They want to find a formula for An. So you have to start to realize it's going to be a manipulation process, right? They want you to find a formula for An. And, I can't say there's one path to it, but the bottom line is, I got an answer written down there. The question is, how'd they get the answer, all right? So, again, I'd probably look at something and say, can I figure it out? All right, can I figure that out? And, probably figuring it out is going to be some stabs at it. So let me write this down over here. Sn, which I know, it's a given. A1's a given, so I'm going to divide it by A1 times 1 minus R. Oh, you know what? I'm not going to do it. I don't want to get a fraction. I apologize. I don't want a fraction. Let me do that again. So it's going to be Sn, which is a given, 1 minus R. That's all given, by the way. Right? R is given, Sn is given. Right? If you don't remember that, right up here. Sn and R given. Equals A1, that's a given, times 1 minus R to the n. All right? All right, let's take a look at it. And, kind of looking at it, I start to realize that I do have some problems. So I'm gonna multiply it out. And what do you get? Sn, which is a given, minus Sn R, which is a given, equals A1 minus A1 times R to the n. Well, I'm going to put all the r's on one side now, all right? Now, again, you say, why is that? I'm looking for the n minus 1 in it, and I'll see if I can do that. So we're going to get Sn minus A1 equals SNR minus A1 R to the nth power. All right, now, I'll go back and remind what the givens are. But what do you get up here? Sn minus A1 equals, I'm going to factor an R out now. R, what do you get? Sn minus A1 R to the n minus 1. All right, so someone says, what did you just accomplish here? Well, I'm seeing something now, and I'll tell you what I'm seeing. Sn minus A1 equals R Sn minus, well, A1 Rn minus 1 is just An. And what did they ask me to come up with? A formula for An. So I got some troubles over here, and I got to solve it now, right? So let me write this down for you. It doesn't look easy, but I'll write down Sn minus A1, that's Rsn, minus Ran. Well, I'm going to kind of move things around. Ran equals Rsn minus Sn plus A1. I got a factor. Ran equals, let's see, Sn, and that would be R minus 1 plus A1, and I'm there. What do I get? An is equal to Sn, R minus 1 plus A1 over R. Again, I want to go back to the beginning, and the givens are, A1, R, and Sn. I got all those givens on the right side, by the way. And what's the want? They wanted An. We found it. Now, again, someone says, oh, I got a shorter way there. We're not saying it. Maybe tomorrow I'll have a shorter way there too, but I got there. What do you mean by that? This is where we want you to get. All right? And let's see if I got it. Yeah, I got it. I did okay. Thank you.